Hello. 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 Good afternoon. What's going on? Yeah, I just got the hot chocolate, you know. That drive-through line was ridiculously long. Not in length. It just took forever. Thank you for the rose. Much love. Much love. Beth, what's going on? Aunt B, hello, hello. Yeah, no, that drive-through was very, very slow moving today. Not fast. Oh, I think I have to move for my mother. Do you want me to move? Yeah, I gotta move. I gotta move.
Are you making a TikTok or are you live?
I'm live.
Hi! Okay, I have to go to school.
So you need me to...
I need you to move.
Okay.
Okay? I'll
Bye.
finish your soup when I get home.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, she made a whole like chicken yesterday that my grandma got her. So I asked if she could make chicken noodle soup. You know? Hola. Yeah, she's making it. So I'm a happy camper, you know? I'm a happy camper. My morning is going good, thank you. How's your morning? Reed, man, we were dying. We were dying at that. My cousin, like, it started with my little cousin running down the stairs, and then all of a sudden, like, his voice, like, he just turned 9, so, like, we were there for his birthday dinner, right? And he just turned 9, and he comes running down the stairs, and all of a sudden, he's, like, talking in, like, this really squeaky voice. And we're like, what the fuck? He's like, helium! And then, you know, whatever, like, time goes by, then we're at the dinner table and he brings back out the balloon and my dad gets a hold of it, and then that's what the result of it was. So yeah, it was pretty funny. It was a good time. Reed, how you liking Australia though? Looks like you're having quite the time. Augie and Christine, hello. Hello, hello. Yeah, we're working on that, Reed. We're working on that. I don't know. That was, some liquid courage coming out there, but I don't know. We want to, though. We still really do want to. Do you even know what the Lollipop Kid is? Or you have to Google? No, I know what it is. I know what it is. Hello, hello. More liquid needed, perhaps. 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 I dressed up as a Lollipop Kid from Wizard of Oz back in elementary school. The Lollipop Kid. That is a very hot chocolate. Fresh, some would say. Fresh. Very fresh. Pixar, it didn't happen. Hello there. Hello. Susie with the hearts, much love. Hello, hello. Candace with the hearts, much love. Lainey, hello, hello. Hello, hello. That color looks nice on you. Thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Good afternoon, Allison. Hello. I'm heading to my mom's this weekend, so I'll have to look for some. Rachel, how far are you from like where they shot the Outer Banks? How far are you? Good morning. Marie, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. How are we feeling after the wine? Not too shabby, you know. Not too shabby. Elizabeth, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Elizabeth is 5 hours from it. It's not too far. Far enough. Exiled to the truck again? No, this one was by choice. Oh, Rachel, that's very close. Very, very close. Right now, I think I did, yes. I think I did. Also, for the Canadians in here, roll up the rim now is bullshit. Alright? Roll up the rim is bullshit. COVID's fucking... Everybody's over it, alright? Everybody's over it. So take this shit and put it back on the cup. Put it back on the cup. Nobody likes this online shit, okay? Nobody likes it. You're losing interest, actually. You're losing it. Be gone. Get the fuck out of here. We don't want to see it anymore. I speak on the behalf of every Canadian here. Nobody wants to see it anymore. Alright? Bring back the OG, roll up the rim, and everybody's happy. And my rant's done. That's my morning rant. Afternoon rant. And for those of you who don't know what roll up the rim is, okay? For those of you who don't know what roll up the rim is, it's simply what the name is. You roll up the rim. There's a section on the cup, boop, right? And underneath, you either have a please try again or please play again, or you win a free coffee, or you have a chance at like a car, or like a $10,000 like Visa car, or like something like that, you know? Like they have like prizes to give out. But now, since COVID and this whole like whatever, they changed it to online. But now that it's done with, you thought, oh, maybe, you know, they'd slap her back on the cups. But no, they're like still online. And I'm still not doing it. Along with everybody else, probably. Like, I don't know anybody who actually does the roll up the rim anymore. I really don't. What does that have to do with COVID though? So like, because before, so if you would win, right, you'd have to tear it off your cup. So you'd have to tear it off your cup, and then when you go in the next time, you'd have to give them that little piece of the cup. So like, they thought like, oh, like that's a lot of like contact back and forth between this piece of, you know, like little cardboard or whatever the fuck the cup's made out of. So they're like, scratch that, and it's like, I get it. Like, I get it. I get they have to take precautions, but we're over that, you know? It's done. So, I don't know. I mean, like, fuck. Christine coming through with the Galaxy. Much love. Did I ever win? Yeah, like I'd win like donuts and like free hot chocolates or teas or coffees, you know. I never won anything crazy, no. Never won anything crazy, but we the little shit. Lady Anya coming in with the hanging lights. Much love. Much love. Snow makes bright. Very bright. Very bright. See, but like that was like the fun of it. Like it would encourage you to go to Tim's and like get like a coffee or tea, a hot chocolate, whatever you could to get that like that chance to win something, right? It's like it's fun, kinda. Now it's not fun anymore. You know? Candace with the corgi, much love. Yeah, like it's like I don't think they realize, or like I mean like maybe they do and they're just, I don't know, whatever. But like half of the like reason why people, actually I'd say 80% of the reason why people loved it was because it was like right there and it was right on the cup. Like nobody gives a fuck now that it's online, you know. The old account, yeah, so I had to make they wanted me to make a new email and register the account with that email, so I sent that in last night, and yeah, we're just hoping that's the last step before the account recovery. But yeah, Nick P, very, very passionate about the role they're in, you know. Fingers crossed. Yes. Yeah, we watched the last like 9 holes. Yeah, last 9 holes. Scotty Scheffler with the dub. The dub. The password, yeah, no. No, I put it in my notes. I put it in my notes. Rachel, much love. I appreciate that. Watching Last of Us. I have not, but I've heard it's pretty good. Pam Fisher coming through with the butterflies. Much love. Yeah, Rana, what about Charlie Woods, eh? Eh? He's gonna be a great, a great golfer when he's older. Eh? Eh? Christine coming through with the gold mine. Much love. Walked by the French high school in my neighborhood yesterday. Forgot it was called St. Jacques. St. Jacques. They named the school after me. Jacques the Saint. Hell yeah. Candace with the rose, much love. Joe with the corgi. Farting the sweethearts. Yeah, I'd say he's got a pretty good coach, yeah. I'd have to agree with that one. Watch out for lightning. Oh yeah, I've got plenty of green for St. Patty's Day. When is that? When is St. Patty's Day? Rain with the WGA car. Much love, Rain. When it rains, it pours, baby. When it rains, it pours. Oh, what the fuck? This Friday? Is that this Friday? Oh shit! I had no idea. I had no idea. We gonna rant about that now too? Maybe. Do you want me to? Do you want me to? Yes. I probably could make something up. Rhonda with the corgi. Much love, Rhonda. Rant away. Green beer, yes or no? Fuck. I don't know. I've never tried green beer, I don't think. I don't think I've ever tried green beer. It doesn't look appealing, really. Marie, much love with the hearts. So, probably a no from me. It's probably a no. And of course, we celebrate St. Patrick's Day here. It's just food coloring. I know, but it's like, I don't know. Notice rant is only one letter away from my name. What a coincidence. Wow. What a coincidence, Rana. You're right. You're right. Green ketchup? That's just fucked. That isn't okay. That is not okay. No. How's it going? Oh, it's pretty good, you know. I've got my hot chocolate here. I'm a happy camper. How are you? Used to own an Irish pub. That must have been a good time. Especially on St. Patty's Day. This is a good hot chocolate, might I add. It is a very good hot chocolate. Sylvia. Teresa. What's going on? What's going on? Lisa, hello. Oh yeah, Elizabeth, we crushed it. It was very, very, very good. He's a great chef. He is a great chef. Jill it is. Yeah, indeed. Indeed. I don't know why I still have my seatbelt on. Hello? There we go. Does Dev cook a lot when home? I think so. I don't know. I feel like it's a toss, so I don't know for sure. Doc McGilligan's. Yeah, that's a good place. They just added a golf simulator in there, so that's I'm waiting to check that out. It'll be a good time. It will be a very good time. Can Dev come cook for Christine? I'm sure Dev would be delighted to. I'm sure he would be delighted to do that. Ah, my funny bone. Hello. Oh, my phone's doing that dimming thing. That's bullshit. Mama K, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Could he come now? We're hungry. Yeah, Funny Bone's not so funny anymore. It is not so funny anymore. Yeah, the snow is very bright. Very, very bright. Next meet and greet needs Dev. Good old Dev. You could do that. Stoplight looking at a Chipotle. You're lucky. You're lucky. Kareen. Hello, Lucy. What's going on? Anna. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. How am I? I'm good. How are you? We're still getting over this cold, but we're getting there. We're getting there. I'm gonna get some lunch soon. That'll be a good day. It'll be a good day. Jill, that is not fun. Stay safe. But yeah, that is not fun. Have a great day at work. Much love to you. Do you have the flu? I do not have the flu, no. I had a cold. Yeah, Christine, you were not wrong there. I did not take anything. As usual. As usual. So they are prepping now. Oh yeah. Money maker there. Money maker there. Especially with the snow we've been getting this winter. I could be dying and I won't take anything. Damn. See, if it's really bad, I'll take something. Nikki, I appreciate that. Much love. It was snowing again this morning in Oakville. It's kind of like there's flurries coming down right now, but like it's nothing notable. You know, nothing notable. Putting hubby on blast. Shannon, I'm with you. I am with you there. I'm with you there. All right, ladies, we are gonna call it here. I'm getting hungry. I'm gonna go get some lunch. Am I watching The Blacklist? I think I finished it. Actually, I'm gonna have to double check. Maybe I'm gonna have to double check that while I eat my lunch. But I am gonna go eat some lunch. I will be back on at 8:30 p.m. Eastern time tonight. So we will see you back then. All right, we'll see you back then. And until then, enjoy the rest of your day. Much love to you. And as always,
I know